Home Depot on the daily chart, series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above the 200 moving average on the daily chart. If you look on my channel, back on the 4th of November, we also went over this chart right here at this arrow. We identified a pocket of potential support right around 390, since then taken off to the upside. Now we're experiencing a minor pullback right now. I did look at the history of this chart, found other pullbacks similar in dollar amount. For example, this pullback right here, right around $26, is very similar to the pullback that we're currently experiencing right now. In addition, using my fib retracements, clicking from this pivot low to pivot high, also provides a 50% retracement. Now on the hourly chart, we are being supported by that 200 moving average on the hourly. This is what I'm looking for. Price bouncing right back out of the zone of pocket potential support on a 15-minute time frame. If price decides to slice below this pocket of potential support, there's nothing for me to do. This is a 15-minute. You want to be patient, wait for that 8 moving average, cross against that 34 back to the upside. Fundamentals are looking strong. 2022, 151 billion. 2023, 157 billion. 2024, 152 billion. In 2024, there were 3 major hurricanes that hit the United States. It's very likely Home Depot and Lowe's will benefit from these natural disasters. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.